Video, I will show you how to fix sound problem on Brawl Stars mobile. Just watch and follow this video till the end. Open the settings of your device first. Click right now on your apps option and you have to search here for Brawl Stars. Click on it. Scroll this list down and click storage. Click clear cache here right now. And back, click on force stop and click OK. Go guys to Play Store or App Store and update Brawl Stars. Restart here your device right now and that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next video.